iMaterial Icon Pack is a highly customizable Android application designed to enhance the visual appeal of a user's device by providing a wide array of beautifully crafted icons. This app is ideal for users looking to personalize their smartphones or tablets, giving them the ability to change the appearance of app icons to match their preferred aesthetic. Featuring a modern design inspired by material design principles, iMaterial Icon Pack includes thousands of icons, allowing users to replace standard app icons with stylish alternatives. The app typically offers support for various launchers, making it easy to apply different icon styles across multiple home screens. In addition to its extensive icon library, iMaterial Icon Pack may also provide features like icon request tools, wallpapers, and regular updates to ensure that users have access to the latest designs. Overall, this app serves as an essential tool for anyone wanting to elevate their Android device's appearance with unique and attractive icon designs.